Hi guys, and for once we're not at LV1 or LV2, we're up at Status 1 Automotive up in top side of Dewsbury. We're sort of in between Bradford, Leeds and Dewsbury. We're sort of in that bit in the middle, aren't we? Yeah. Birstall, that's it. And yeah, we're here with the guys at Status 1. Status are they're a massive customer of our parts. They love the LVS, they love the LVR rear, our wheels. And yeah, we've just come up, have a look around, meet Phil and the team, and just show off a bit of what our trade customers get up to and what they sell. So we've got a bit of everything here. We've got campers, we've got combis, we've got swampers. There's even a Defender that's got a few little bits of our Land Rover parts that we used to put on. And yeah, I mean, we can see we've got this Starlight blue one behind us, LVS front, LV2 alloy wheels in gold, LVR rear, with the Status 1 combi touches to it. So this is Phil. Phil runs Status up here.
Yeah, we do.
So yeah, Phil's just going to have a bit of an explanation about what these guys actually do up here.
Yeah, so we've been building campers for over 10 years now. So we do the Canvas and we do our own range of combis. So it's based on the Aurora Range. We teamed up with Sherwood Campers and New Wave Campers to do real top-end conversions with our own Aurora detailing and touches on there and extras. We obviously work with Leighton in a big way to do all the body kits. We think they're one of the best kits around and made. We put them on as combis, put the rear bumpers, the front bumpers, the carbon steering wheels, do our own interiors and all exteriors. We use our own wheels and we also use Leighton's, all top quality. So yeah, we do different ranges of everything. But yeah, it's great business to be in, passion.
Yeah. So if you guys want a camper and you want the New Wave or the Sherwood camper with the Status 1 Aurora touches on the inside, but with the Leighton body kit, then I can't recommend these guys enough. They make a standard van with our kit and their touches look absolutely unreal. So yeah, thanks Phil, thanks
Cheers.
for your time, thanks for being a customer, bud, and yeah, we'll show you a bit of footage of what goes on up here.